In this video, I am going to show you how you can incorporate rounded corners for your elements, like the rounded corners. Different browsers used to use different properties, like for example, Safari and Google use the WebKit border, and Mozilla-based Firefox and similar browsers use Moz border. Now we have CSS3 standard border radius. So it will tell how much radius you need for this corner in your element. So I'm going to open hands-on 7.6. If you don't have Lighthouse logo and background logo, please go to hands-on 7.8 folders. It should be there. You can simply copy those and then start doing the hands-on 7.6. I'm opening up the HTML file and see how it looks. Alright, and now I'm going to put an H1 rules so that I can put a background image on the H1 tag and then put the rounder corner. So I'm going to put this H1 rule and going to put the background image, URL lighthouse logo .jpg. I don't want it to repeat, so background repeat, no repeat. Right, and then I want the height of the H1 to be the same as that of the picture, or around that. So I'm going to put 100 pixel height for the H1, and width I want it to be 700 pixel, and then font size 3 times that of the regular H1 size. Alright, so I'm going to see that. Let me see what's going on here. Lighthouse logo. Okay, we need to give that. We need that closing bracket. Now you would see that. Now from here you can see that the Lighthouse bistro, it's on the towards the left margin. So we need to fix that. So you need to do some rules regarding the margins and things like that. Just to save time, I'm going to copy and paste like padding, so that it would be off of that picture and things like that. So you can see what I have here. Padding left and putting some top padding, and you don't need any margin at the top for this H1 element. And then I'm going to put a border for H1 with 1 pixel width, and then solid with some color on it. So we put a border around it and mode the margins, mode the padding so that it won't go over the picture. Now the only thing I want to do here is to put that curved that rounded corner. For that all you have to do is, many of the browsers are already some of the CSS compliant, so I would say border radius 15 pixel. Alright, so I'm going to run that. Now you would see that you got that rounded border. Now if you want to use it for some browsers that are backward compatible, in that case you can use the WebKit border radius and Moz border radius. Yeah, so it's a good idea to just go ahead and put those when you are putting a border radius in regards to other browsers and other browsers that are not compatible.